Is your Samsung phone's battery draining too fast? In this video, I'll show you how to extend your Samsung phone's battery life with a few simple settings. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Now tap Power Saving, then turn on the Power Saving toggle. This helps reduce battery usage by limiting background activity and performance. Next, go back to the Battery menu and tap Background Usage Limits. Tap Sleeping Apps, then add apps that you don't use often. These apps won't run in the background, which helps save battery. Now go back to Settings, tap Display, then select Motion Smoothness. If it's set to Adaptive, change it to Standard. This uses less battery while still giving you a smooth experience. That's it! These simple settings can help your Samsung phone's battery last much longer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.